In this video, we're going to talk about how to remove the deck from a Cub Cadet XT1 lawn tractor. First thing you want to do is put the deck all the way on the ground. Starting from the left side, we're going to remove this butterfly clip. Alright, there's one pin, and similarly from the right side. We're going to get this pin. Doesn't want to come. There we go. And there's that pin. And also from the right side, we've got this other pin right here. Got that pin. But first I'm just going to kind of push on this. Need to rock it a little bit. There it goes. It comes right out like that. I'll also do this side. Let's get that out from the left side. Let's get that out. Okay, now we're disconnected, but we still have the PTO cable that needs to come off. Coming in again from the right side. So this is the PTO cable. You see it's got that butterfly pin on that too. So we're going to remove that pin so that we can get the wire out of here. And then we're also going to take the spring out. You can see how it's connected right here. There it goes. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to push on this gear so that it slides. So it's like it's engaging the PTO, I think. So that'll put some slack on it, and then I should be able to move it. So I'm going to do that with the same hand that I'm holding the camera. So I'm pushing on it. You see it put some slack on that. Now it comes through, and now it's off. So now it's off this piece, which is attached to the deck. So now I can get the spring right here. Just kind of jimmy it a little bit out. There it goes. Piece of cake. So now the PTO is disconnected. The only thing left attached to the body is the belt. So I'm going to actually have to remove this piece here. It's I think a 9/16 of an inch bolt. And then we should be able to free the belt, and the deck itself will all be free. So I've got my 5/16 inch here. And there it is. So this piece now should just come right out. Yep, right out. Undo that belt. Now we shouldn't have anything connected anymore. So I'm going to lift up the deck supports. It should be very light now. Woo! I'll just leave it up there, I guess. Alright, now that we're fully disconnected, we can just pull it right out of the way. And there it is. Your deck is free. So in summary, we removed one pin from the left side, 2 pins on the right side, plus 1 pin underneath for the PTO cable. Disconnected the PTO cable with the spring. PTO cable was attached right here, the spring part was, and the rest of the cable itself went going in through here. And this here is the PTO cable. And finally removed a bolt to get this bracket off that was holding the belt in place. So now we're going to go in reverse order and put it right back on. We're going to push the deck now right back underneath the lawnmower. Alright, so I've slid it mostly in place. I'm going to put the deck gear back down as low as it can go so that I can connect to it. I'm going to take this, see if I can get it on here. I need to move things around. It looks like I'm going to lift the tractor just a little bit. I had to use 2 hands for this, but I was able to just lift it slightly and push that peg through the hole. And then I'll put the pin back on. Camera fell, but there it is. While I'm over here, let's get the belt on. Alright, that looks nice. This is working. Please don't take my tools away. Got that through. Now I'll take the bolt and tighten it first. Check out the caterpillar. It's hand tight. I'll use the screwdriver. And while I'm right here, let's get this through also. Let's push it through. There's that. And let's go to the other side to finish off the deck. Huh. Looks like I already got that in. I didn't even do that myself. That's interesting. Okay, there we go. Put this on. And nothing else needs to happen on this end, actually. We're going to put it back together. We're going to now do the PTO cable. Back here, we want to make sure this goes underneath all that. Get it back in this hole. Alright, assuming you got everything connected right, which it should be pretty easy to have done. Start the engine. Forward. Good. Tight. That's all there is to it. If you want to see more content like this, be sure and subscribe.